how to unlock the potential of departments in large organizations during lockdown. During the COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of business operations have moved online, very often to self-service digital platforms like KanBo. Things like collaboration and knowledge sharing, planning, managing risks are very crucial during COVID-19 for every enterprise. KanBo empowers purpose-driven organizations to optimize work management with full transparency and trust. Think back to the last time you were so deeply consumed by the passion for your work that the time just flew by. Recall the pleasant feeling of believing that your work is meaningful. That's what working together should look like. In today's world, so much potential is being lost due to scattered information and unclear responsibilities. We're always on the lookout to cut through the chaos with low-value meetings, micromanagement, and politics. Our lives are too short to be wasted chasing information and figuring out responsibilities. KanBo aspires to take those troubles away and replace them with an all-consuming passion and dedication for meaningful work. KanBo is a digital work management solution for large organizations. KanBo gives companies a way to work better and more effectively. It enables them to minimize risk, manage compliance, and decrease costs. KanBo brings back the trusted work and collaboration values, at the same time recognizing the digital transformation that is occurring right now. COVID-19 will end sooner or later, but the transformation and a new way of work will stay with organizations for a long time. KanBo is an answer for the after COVID-19 future. KanBo goes beyond the traditional way of managing work. It brings new digital technology that enables end-to-end visibility, real-time collaboration, and streamlined workflow. KanBo also means enhanced security and extended productivity. It's all about optimizing every activity, work, task, service, or project. KanBo connects hundreds of employees at any time in any place. KanBo is simply the future of work. So now let's answer about the most frequently asked questions about KanBo and COVID-19. In which industries can KanBo be used? So KanBo can be used in all kinds of industries in all countries. With its flexible native user interface, KanBo can be used in virtually any work environment with no training necessary. KanBo offers custom analytics, multiple levels of security, multi-language support, and a seamless way to integrate with many corporate systems. So, in which departments can KanBo be used during COVID-19? It obviously depends on the work structure, but for large-sized companies, KanBo can be used by all departments. Each department can use KanBo for their projects, and employees can use KanBo for their personal projects as well. But KanBo is not just a project management tool. It's a complete tool to manage everything: scheduling, financial reporting, budgeting, resource allocation, also job management, customer feedback. As you can see, it can be used by everyone in the company. Alright, so let's now talk about operations department. How can they use KanBo? KanBo is all about optimizing processes, automating workflows, and getting rid of useless meetings. It means bringing back the magic to work, the ability to easily get answers, to work together, and to trust each other. KanBo can be used in almost any organization. From basic to-dos and daily tasks in projects to building complex solutions. Operations department can bring KanBo to large-scale projects in enterprise organizations and benefit from it. Okay, so how to use KanBo in human resources department? As you already know, KanBo is all about connecting employees and empowering them. It means having everyone follow the company's values, trust each other, and work together. Human Resources Department can use KanBo to find talents, to connect and empower employees. It also allows flexibility in the way people work, allows them to communicate and work across departments and projects. How to use KanBo in Sales Department, you may ask. Sales Department can use KanBo to drive sales and business development. It means having all the salespeople working together and communicating in the best possible way. Sales efforts should be focused on the right customers and the right channels and to the right results. Salespeople can create KanBo board or use our templates for a sales team and personalize the way they work together. Right, so let's talk about Purchase Department. How can the Purchase Department and all departments related to that, which are sales, customer service, purchasing, inventory, and accounting, benefit from KanBo? All those departments can be connected in a seamless way. They can work together hand in hand and enable the Purchase Department to efficiently manage purchase order tracking, payments, and inventory management. Another department that we should talk about is Research and Development Department. Research and Development Department can connect all internal business units in a unique and dynamic way. It means having research and development employees working together and sharing their insights. In Research and Development Department, KanBo is used to find and acquire insights. It enables the department to rapidly respond to changes in the market, to take advantage of new technologies, and also to make their products or services available in the market faster. So now let's talk about IT department. How can that department use KanBo during COVID-19? IT department can use KanBo to transform and modernize work style. It can change the way people work and the way things work. IT department can connect all people, devices, applications, and resources in a single place. KanBo makes IT department more efficient, enabling it to focus on IT development, testing, and supporting projects in a more effective way. Alright, so how to use KanBo in Marketing Department, another very important department. Marketing Department using KanBo can connect all marketing projects and initiatives in a very creative and intuitive way. It means having full control over all marketing tasks in one place. It means being in control over the customer's journey and interaction with the marketing team. Marketing Department can use KanBo to provide projects, create, engage, target, and analyze marketing activities. So now let's talk about the Finance Department. The Finance Department can use KanBo to build a complete budget in one place. It will enable the Finance Department to look at the entire picture. The Finance Department can use KanBo to manage costs across departments in one central place. It means having well-structured information about the budget that is open to everyone. It helps the Finance Department to compare costs and use key insights to make smart decisions. Alright, so let's talk about using KanBo in a cross-functional department. The cross-functional department can use KanBo to build a unique way of work. It can connect people and resources across departments. They can use KanBo to foster trust and collaboration by focusing on the customer and engaging everyone in the department to work together. They can develop a strategy that is customer-centric and looks at the way to support the business through the entire customer journey. So, as you can see, there are a lot of benefits of using KanBo in your enterprise. It allows you to establish a unique way of working together across different departments in your organization. It means connecting people, processes, and tools, and makes it possible for your company to evolve and change.